I felt the need to escape the Arizona desert, so I drove north through the mountains, past elk, and down a bumpy road to Bob Bear Trailhead to hike to Fossil Springs. The scent of Ponderosa pines, the crunch of the freshly fallen snow, and the sounds of the spring and waterfall made for an unforgettable 9-mile hike. So come along with me on this epic adventure. We will stop and check out anything interesting along the way, talk with fellow hikers, and of course, have an epic snack at the destination. So I am here at Bob Bear Trailhead, and I'm doing Fossil Springs. So it's the beginning of March, so I don't need a permit, but normally you do need a permit from April through October. It's a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees, and it's already beautiful, and I just started. I got here today at 12:30, and the parking lot is mostly full, so it's a dirt road getting here, nothing that my 4Runner couldn't handle, and I even saw some cars. And it does have a bathroom. So here's the bathroom. I don't need to go, but it's always kind of interesting to check it out. So let's check it out. Oh, it's nice. Nice clean bathroom. So that's amazing. It snowed recently, so it's pretty muddy. Ooh, we start with a ominous sign here. It says 20 people have to be rescued, or no, 200 people have to be rescued from Fossil Creek each year. Oh boy, let's hope I'm not one of them. So Fossil Springs Trail. Do not plan on rescue. Are you prepared? So I'm about a mile in or so, and it's been really easy. And this is definitely giving me some Sedona vibes. You can see the kind of red colored mountain in the background there. Hello.
Hi. Sorry, I usually put him back on a leash.
Oh, you're fine. Hi. Is it
busy washing my feet.
Is it a Springer Spaniel?
He is,
Oh,
yeah.
I had Springer Spaniels growing up.
So did I. They're awesome.
They
and
are.
So much stamina. More
Yeah. Didn't see you guys. What are you doing? Oh, you must be from Phoenix too?
We're not from Phoenix originally.
Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, I'm from Iowa, but I don't miss it. Yeah. Cute.
Enjoy your hike.
Thanks. I'm 2 miles in and just cruising down here. It's really easy getting down here, and I was realizing that that's why there's having to be so many signs that you can't get rescued. So typically you're hiking up a mountain, and when you get tired you just turn around and you get to go downhill. But this, you're hiking down like in a canyon. So you don't have to be fit to get down there, but you're gonna have to be pretty fit to get back up. It's very pretty. The red rock and the formations really remind me of Sedona. Very pretty here. And the pine trees, it just smells so fresh. All the fresh air is wonderful. And the smell of pine, you can't really beat that. I don't get the chance to hike in mud very often, so this is pretty awesome. You see these huge century agave plants? Look how tall they are. You typically see these in the desert. It's really neat to see them with all these trees. Very cool. This view is unbelievable. This is definitely one of those many times where I think to myself, I'm gonna look at my video and I'm gonna say, this is not even close to how beautiful this is. Cactus and trees. Love it. So you come across this little fence here that's marked trail. So we have Fossil Springs Trail and Mail Trail. So that one's Mail Trail, but we're gonna head this way. You can see that this area was burned. It was closed for quite a while too because of the fire. have the sign here to spring or to dam. I'm actually gonna go to the dam first, and then we'll see how time goes and decide if I could go to both. So you can hear the springs. I haven't seen them yet. And it has that water smell, fresh water smell. You can smell it. Oh, and there's the lake there. Oh, and then there's the spring. Let's see, it took me 2 hours and 23 minutes to hike and eat my pasty. So I know it's gonna take a lot longer to get back to my car. A skunk on my trail. That is awesome. Honestly, I smelled him earlier, but I thought it was people smoking weed at Fossil Springs. Maybe it was both. Oh my God. Hi, that's so awesome. Hey, buddy. I've only come across a skunk one other time. Should I chase him? I know hiking mishaps get a lot of views. Would it be worth it? probably not. I'm over 1.5 miles, heading back up to the trailhead. And as predicted, this is a lot slower going than coming down here. I always wonder if it shows how steep it is. It is very steep. So I'm coming up from Fossil Springs and it's very steep and I'm getting pretty worn out, and the goofy game I'm playing in my head right now is I can hear people behind me and I'm pretending it's a zombie horde, and if they catch up to me they'll eat my brains. So that's what's keeping me going right now. Snow and cactus. So I'm coming to one of the best views of all, and you would probably think it's that beautiful mountain over there with the reds and the greens, but actually I caught a glimpse of the parking lot, and after a long hike like this, sometimes that's the best view of all. So I'm just about done with this trail. I can see the trailhead from here, so that's always a welcome sight. According to my Garmin, it's going to be 8.8 miles, and it took me 4 hours and 20 minutes, and that is with 56 minutes of stop time. So most of that was me sitting by the falls, enjoying my random meal, which was a Cornish pasty from one of my favorite little local restaurants in Phoenix. So it's called Cornish Pasty Company. I actually bought their shirt. Yeah, that's how much I like it. I bought their shirt. So anyway, on the way down there was quite a bit of snow and mud, and being from Phoenix, that was very fun, very exciting. Also, it doesn't look like the zombie horde is going to quite catch up to me. I can actually see them now after I stopped and gave my little synopsis of the trail. So I'm glad that I evaded the zombies. So that's a plus 2. Elk. sure the people that live here are annoyed by them, but if you're not from here, this is really cool. Huh. They are huge. Traffic jam. Unreal. This is definitely my kind of traffic jam. This is awesome.